If you are running B2B SaaS companies, this video is for you because this video or this mechanism helps HubSpot, Hyros, and Liskit, also Alex Becker to scale his company to nine figure in valuation. Okay, so this video is for B2B SaaS founders because a lot of you guys, you are being lied to a dream of scaling with $97 package. Okay, so this is not true when you come to real business economics. So you are told you need volume. Okay, you need a low CAC, which means in this case cost to acquire a customer. You need to raise endless round of capitals to survive the valley of days. Okay, so but there is a truth. The model is designed to keep you small, broke, and exhausted because $97 is not good for you if you are running ads. You know what I'm talking. Okay, I call it the low ticket treadmill because you are running faster and faster, being your margin are shrinking. Your churn is a constant nightmare, and every new user feels like a tiny insignificant victory that doesn't actually move the needle of your life changing revenue goals. Okay, so you need to understand this. Okay, this video, I think this picture will describe the life you are living. Okay, in the next few minutes, I'm going to expose the single best flow in the B2B SaaS growth playbook. Okay, I have done it for my clients, and a lot of companies are doing right now, and it's working currently. Okay, I'm going to show you the high ticket case study accelerator. This is the mechanism that helps you to scale your company to multiple nine figure in evaluation. Okay, it's a mechanism that allow you to stop chasing $97 subscription and start closing multiple five figure deals in next 90 days. But first, you need to understand the pain of your old way. Okay, so this is the diagram I want to come up with to describe your model. SaaS product change when you every SaaS product, especially in B2B space, need to change to high ticket service offers. The case study paradox: why volume kills the value. Okay, I want to tell you about the case study paradox. This is a trap that catch 90% of B2B SaaS companies. You need powerful high value case studies to attract high value clients, but you can't get high value clients until you have a powerful case study. Okay, you are stuck in a loop, forced to rely on low value users who don't give you a data or a result. You need to impress the big fishes. That's the most common problem in any business, especially in B2B. That is the rare case. Okay, so low ticket city and enterprise SaaS. This is the bridge and the gap between what I'm talking about right now. Okay, so you are selling a solution to $1 million problems, but you are charging a commodity price. Okay, the market treats like you like a commodity. Okay, so if you are a B2B SaaS founder, you know this feeling. Okay, you know your product is worth more, you know it solves a massive problem, but you have been conditioned to believe that the only way to scale it is through the volume. Okay, the blueprint of giants like Hyros, HubSpot, and Liskit is not working like this. Okay, now let's look at the companies that broke this mold and got nine figure in value. Okay, the one who understand that in B2B, okay, high ticket service are the fastest paths to high value software scale. Talking about companies like Hyros, which is Alex Baker. If you know on the internet, Alex Baker is one of prominent dudes to scale his B2B SaaS companies and got a lot of winning in the internet space. So, story one, HubSpot's secret. When HubSpot started, they were not just selling softwares. They were selling inbound marketing consulting. Okay, you need to understand this. They used a high touch, high ticket service model on onboard their first enterprise clients. That's the main point. So they didn't just give you as the CRMs; they gave you the done for you strategy and implementation to guarantee the outcome. That's the difference. Okay, this allows them to collect massive upfront fee, fund their product development, and most importantly, generate the flagship case study that proved their software worked at the highest level. Okay, they use a service to sell the softwares. I want to tell you again over here. They use a service to sell the software. Okay, that's the strategy you need to do, because the first reason is you get a lot of paychecks. The second one is you get a massive case study, because that helps your client more. So the second story is the Hyros strategy. It's the same. Hyros, the attribution software, is another perfect example. Okay, they don't just offer a massive service subscription. They offer they offer a done for you setup and optimization package. Why? Because they know that their software is only as good as the data that feeds into it. That's that's also the main point. By charging the high ticket fee for the service, okay, they ensure the client is fully invested. They get a perfect case study setup, and they collect the cash flow needed to acquire a next client. They turned a complex software sale into a simple, high value outcome sale. So Alex Becker come up with this strategy and crushing in the market back in days. Okay, so the last one story just I come up with is Let's Get. Let's Get is B2B lead generation tool, which is you buy some type of information and you just throw a cold email or something over there. So they are lead generation SaaS, but their entry point is the done for you lead list building and campaign strategy and management. They don't just sell you at the tool, because if they sell the tool, you are not using it properly, and they can't get case studies. Most of you guys are doing like this, so this is a nightmare for your business. But if you sell also the strategy and the implementation to get the result, then you get the case study of your market, so you can scale it over there. So the high ticket service model solves the client's immediate pain, generates a powerful testimony, and locks them into the software for the long term. Okay, what's the common trait on here? They all use a high ticket done for you service as a strategic bridge to fund their growth, solve the case study paradox, and establish market authority. That's the main thing. Okay, high ticket case study accelerator model, which is I just coined and come up with, and a lot of companies use it to scale their B2B SaaS. Okay, so the problem is not your product. The problem is not your marketing. The problem is your model. Okay, the paradigm shift is this: your SaaS product is not the offer. Your SaaS product is the tool that powers your high ticket service. If you do it this perfectly, you will get massive outcome on your business. Okay, so think about it. When a prospect pays $10,000 for a done for you client acquisition service, they are not buying your softwares. Okay, you need to understand over here. They are buying the guaranteed outcome that your software makes possible. This is the high ticket case study accelerator. Okay, it's the same strategic manners used by the giants over and over and over again. A lot of companies are selling coaching. Then after that, they scale their companies. Okay, how does it works? It's simple, three-step process that we can install in your business. Okay, the first thing is offer refinement. The second thing is funnel build out. The third thing is case study acceleration. Okay, those are the process. The step one, the offer refinement, is we take your most valuable outcome and package it into high ticket 10K offer. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one is step two, which is the funnel build out. We build the entire client acquisition funnel, including the VSL. You will be sending people to run targeted ads to attract the high value prospect who is ready to pay for a solution, not just a subscription. Okay, that's the funnel build out. Okay, so step three is the case study acceleration. We focus on closing those first few high ticket deals. Every 10K deals is not just a revenue. It's a powerful case study. That's how we immediately leverage to attract the next five clients. Our goal in your first three our goal is your first 3 to 5 undeniable case studies in next 90 days. That's the game. That will change the game forever because you get a lot of authority, and also you will perfect your Saas. Okay, you will remove the unnecessary features and you will add the specific ones. So that will help both the market and for yourself. The real risk. Now I know what you are thinking. I don't want to come up with a service business and you want this is strategic temporary bridge. It's the same bridge, HubSpot used a lot of things. Once you have the cash flow and the case study, you use the authority to raise your subscription price. Okay, attract enterprise clients who pay for the software alone. This is the strategy to get you to the next level, not a permanent business model. The real risk is staying where you are. The real risk is watching your competitors adapt this model, the model used by Hyros, Let's and HubSpot, and start closing a high ticket deals that should be yours. Okay, the choice is yours. So your next step is I'll give you the blueprint used by the most successful B2B SaaS companies, but a blueprint is useless without the full engineering system. That's the most important thing you need to understand. But if you want to get this one, you can comment me or DM me. I will put my details somewhere on this video, so you can DM me. I can send you. It's free of charge. If you are serious about getting off the low ticket treadmill and closing high ticket deals in next 90 days, I'll put together a full in-depth video presentation, a video sales letter that breaks down your entire high ticket case study, accelerator mechanism step by step. In that video, I'll show you the exact funnel we build, the specific ad copy we use, and the pipeline guarantee we offer to ensure you get qualified appointments. Okay, so this is not a sales call. This is next step in your transformation. Click the link in the description or pin the comment right now. Go watch the VSL. Let's get you off the low tread off like a low ticket treadmill, and let's go to high ticket case study accelerator model. Okay, imagine that feeling 90 days from now. You are closed your first few 10K deals. You have the cash flow, you have the case study. You are no longer worried about churn or low ticket volume. Okay, so that feature started with one click. Click in the description below, and you can watch another YouTube video or the direct VSL so we can talk over there. Thanks for your time. Hope this video will help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.